case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1985, a bitter dispute between two Egyptian citizens unfolded in the Texas Courts of Appeals. At its core, the case of Ismail versus Ismail was a divorce matter. The pair married in 1966 and moved to Houston, Texas, where they resided till 1972. But their tangled legal fight reached far beyond the dissolution of their marriage. It revolved around critical questions about the application of Texan law in cross-border divorces, attorney's fees, sanctions, and the division of the so-called quasi-community estate. After their move to the Lone Star State, the couple had 2 children and attained permanent resident status. But in 1981, the plot thickened. The wife, the appellee, returned temporarily to Houston for research purposes, leaving the husband, the appellant, in Egypt. She then filed for a divorce in Houston. Meanwhile, the husband launched a custody battle for their children in Egypt. A turning point in the case was the trial court's decision. It applied the quasi-community property statute, thus granting the Texas court's jurisdiction over the case. Furthermore, it awarded the appellant's attorney substantial property located in Egypt. The appellant swiftly appealed, arguing the court had made several errors during proceedings, including granting excessive attorney's fees and sanctions. However, the Texas Court of Appeals saw things differently. Its final judgment not only affirmed a large part of the trial court's decisions, but it reinforced the validity of Texas law in dividing property located within its borders, even in cases where only one spouse had migrated. The court asserted that Texas law rightly governed any matter related to the property on its soil. The appellant's bid to have Egyptian law apply was summarily dismissed. Still, it wasn't all one-sided. The court found that evidence relating to the attorney's fees granted to the appellant wasn't sufficient enough to justify the award. This part of the judgment was reversed, severed, and sent back to the lower court for further consideration, thus bringing an end to a complex case that re-emphasized the far-reaching tentacles of the Texas law and its application.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.